Morning Fixxxer fans. This is another day. We're going to work on the Q7 again. We have got the engine strapped up. Tight. We have Phil here today. Phil doing finishing off some rendering work and patching up the driveway, cleaning it up, looking fantastic. Done a fantastic job on that. If you're in the area and you looking for a builder, Phil Wood's your man. Oh yeah, bastard. Oh, you're near nut in the back, are you? You're nut in the back. Why did you do that? How'd you get up in there? It's my 18. How does a guy get a spawn on that? Is that gonna work? That absolutely worked. That's the other one. Yes! Oh, jeez. There's what I screwed down. Right, now the engine mounts. The big pry bar that I bought. Yes, I do. I bought this breaker bar at the car show yesterday. And look at this, already been used. It's bending. Come on! Jesus! You got a longer bar. I do. It's too far away. Oh, I'm gonna pull a muscle.
I think it's a scaffolding pull you need, not you?
Hello, Phoebe. Hello, Phoebe. Oh, God, no, not my face. Not my face.
Sure, you should be working on this thing.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh my God.
It's turning. Jesus, man.
Brilliant.
You had to hit WD.
My work is done. Nuts are out. Look at that. Beautiful. Right. Morning, Fixxxer fans. Today we're on a Q7 again. And we've got some parts to refurbish, bushes to change, and we've got power steering leak to find. Let's get after it. Cue the music. Right, what next? Where do we start? Where do we start? We've got the jet. Engine supported. Transfer box is supported by this jack. Battery on boil. Every good project starts with a battery on boil. Let's get after it. Hello, Phoebe Weeby. Key is stuck in the ignition. That's because the battery's gone flat. Typical. So, first thing, let's get a battery on this. Get that key out. Then we turn steering wheel. Battery. Jump leads. I don't know. Tangled jump leads. Fantastic. You want to get the longest ones you can so they can get into the most annoying mess that they can. Right, let's put it on the car first. That makes sense. Go. Hopefully this works. Where's the sad? The sad one is here. And the happy one is here. Oh. 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 I'm hearing goodness. Click. 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 Boom. Lights are on. Heater's coming on. We have life. We have life. What's the steering rack situation? Right. We need to strap the steering wheel in a certain position. Full lock. So we can find this leak. I think the leak's coming from here somewhere. So we've got these two. The hell? A stone. Don't need that. These two lines here. One goes forward to the radiator, I would presume. And you got this one that goes up here. Which comes from the pump. This is the one I presume is leaking. These two hoses definitely need replaced because they are just done. They are just done. What? You gotta be kidding me, man. That battery can't be dead. That battery's brand new. Well, we found it. Hello, Phoebe. We found it. We found the leak. That thing has been leaking for years, and I have finally found it. It's taken a lot of work to do that, to get all that off, but now we can clearly see that hose, the pressure hose from the pump, is leaking. Hallelujah. Although, I now have to go find a power steering hose. That ain't gonna be cheap. And it's gonna take some time. Yeah. Don't know. Every good project starts with a battery on boil. And this project's no exception. Okay. What next? Ooh! Oh, she's heavy! Right, I'm gonna try to refurb this. When I say refurb, I just mean clean it up and give it a paint. Rebuilding, new bearings, ABS sensor. In my eyes. Rebuild paint in my eyes. So here we have the lower arm, and we are going to polybush this. So we've got bushes for here, we've got bushes for here, and we've got bushes for here. We also have brand new drop links, but I didn't realize that this kit came with bushes for the drop links, so I could have just used the original drop links and changed the bushes on them. But here we are now. I might be able to send these back, actually, we'll see, and just clean up the other ones. And these ones are for the upper arms, which I haven't taken off yet. I don't know if I will. We'll see how that goes. We'll see just how things pan out. So we need to get these bushes out. We'll use the bench press for that and see how that goes. Probably not very well. It doesn't normally go well. Very impressed how that has turned out. That is just stunning. I'll see it was 60. Aye, 60. Yes. And not the 72s that we have here. Okay. This is a 72. We have two different ones. We have two different ones. Oh, mercy saints, mercy saints. Hence probably why the difference. That'll be a genuine Audi one. This one will be some cheap aftermarket one. Damn. God, if only I'd taken this one out first, eh?